Hi everyone, I'm Hiloni and I bring to you the second episode of Hexagon's Her Wealth Journey. As women, we are used to managing everything, right? From home to careers. But our financial goals often take a backseat. So this series is about that. It's to empower and educate you to take your own financial decisions. As women, we often rely on our partners, parents, or even children for financial security. While this support system is truly valuable, it might quietly become a blind spot. So let's talk about something very important today, an emergency fund. What is an emergency fund? An emergency fund is a pool of money set aside for emergencies. This is not for spending, not for investing. This is only for unexpected moments in life. It can be anything. It can be as common as a medical expense, a job loss, or even a family emergency. This money needs to be accessible to you without depending on anybody. So how do you go about building this money? Think about a number, right? So it is 6 months of your expenses. So what happens if your money there's no money coming in your bank account for the next 6 months? So write down your groceries, your rent, your utilities, your EMIs, your insurance premiums, or any fixed expense that you might have. Multiply this number by 6. That creates a financial buffer for you, where you don't have to borrow from anybody, where you don't have to rely on anybody, and it's quickly accessible to you. So where do you save this? Is also very important, right? Simple options like savings account, liquid funds, arbitrage funds, or even a sweep in FD work really well because your accessibility matters more than the returns. This acts as a financial buffer for you. So you don't have to break your investments and risk your compounding, and you have an immediate access to funds without relying on anybody else. So if you have any questions or any concerns on how to build your emergency fund, please leave a comment below and we'll be more than happy to be a part of your financial journey. And share this video with friends and subscribe to us and take a move towards your financial independence. And please look out for our future episodes in this series. Thank you.